Samsung's long-rumored foldable phone still hasn't appeared yet, but its mobile chief offered one compelling case for a product that could easily be written off as a gimmick. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. DJ Ko, CEO of Samsung's mobile business, said you'll be able to use the device as a tablet with multitasking capabilities before being able to fold it up into a more portable phone. Ko once again stressed the foldable phone wouldn't be a gimmick product that will disappear after 6 to 9 months after it's delivered. It'll also be available globally, unlike previous phones like the Galaxy Round, which used a curved display and was available only in Korea. However, the foldable Samsung phone, like the Galaxy Round, will be Samsung's testbed device to see how reviewers and the market react. The Galaxy Round, which bowed vertically in the middle, was Samsung's first curved screen phone. It's a direct ancestor to the dual curved screen as we see on today's Galaxy S9 and Note 9 phones. Samsung has been chasing the holy grail of a foldable phone since it teased one at CES 2013 by showing off a flexible OLED display. Ko confirmed last month that Samsung's upcoming device will be launched this year and could debut as early as next month at Samsung's developer conference. The folding capability would mark a major advance in smartphones, which have stagnated with fewer innovations over the past years. Samsung isn't the only company aiming at foldable phones. Huawei could be gunning to be the first to launch such a device. In November, Huawei beat Apple to become the world's second largest smartphone maker, and now is likely aiming for Samsung's top spot. Launching the first foldable phone could help either company to cement a reputation as a trailblazer and create buzz that would trickle down to its more traditional and cheaper phones. According to Ko, a larger screen is important. When Samsung first released the original Galaxy Note, he said competitors called its device dead on arrival. Now, after generations of Notes, you see larger devices like the iPhone XS Max and the Pixel 3 XL, proving the consumers want bigger screen. A foldable phone would let screen sizes extend beyond the 6.5 inches and still not fall into tablet category, as it would easily fit into your pockets. These are just rumored info, so these have to be taken with a pinch of salt. Rest of the information can only be attained at the Samsung's upcoming developer conference. So that was it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.